SOUN still feels pretty damaged from a technical perspective. The stock had a sharp breakdown, found support near the lows, and now it's trying to stabilize. The problem is buyers haven't really proven anything yet. Every bounce has been met with selling pressure. The level I'm watching is around 7.3. If price can reclaim that area and hold, then maybe we start talking about a real recovery. Until then, this just feels like a stock searching for direction. Personally, I'm not interested in predicting bottoms. I'd rather wait for demand to validate and let the setup mature. If you want my exact execution framework and the setups I'm personally watching before market open, it's inside the Patreon, link in the description.